What's up, everybody? It's been a long time since I've been live doing a lot of traveling. So, what I want to talk about today is how to make money from anywhere in the world on autopilot. As you can see behind me, I am parked out in the wilderness in the Sierra Nevada mountains, and it's business as usual. So, what I want to show you here is what makes that possible, how I'm able to live a nomadic lifestyle and pretty much drive around doing whatever I want all day, and that's because I earn income passively on autopilot. Now, I say passively, obviously, there's some work involved in anything you do, but I've had a lot of different jobs, I've done a lot of different things, and this is by far the easiest money that I've ever made. And again, it's what makes it possible for me to spend my time at beautiful places like this, up in the mountains, parked here using Starlink satellite internet to work remotely and not have a boss, not have to wake up at a certain time, not have to clock in. I could just walk outside and go hiking whenever I want. I can do pretty much whatever I want at any time because of what I'm going to show you here. And that's basically affiliate marketing. Now, if that sounds like a scary word, or if you have some kind of bad connotation associated with that, you can go ahead and forget it, because this is really the easiest thing I've ever done, and I want to show you how you can get started with it too. If you're interested in changing your life, if you're tired of where you are now, if you'd rather, have the freedom to do whatever you want in life and still earn money, then hopefully this can help. So here are the steps I put together for how to earn money around the clock from anywhere in the world. So before we go any further, do me a favor and comment yes on this video if you want me to create more content like this. If you want me to show you exactly what I'm working on, how I make money while I'm out on the road, then go ahead and comment yes down below if that's valuable to you. So here are the steps. First, here's what you need. All you need for this is a phone, a laptop, and an internet connection. That's literally it. You don't need any fancy software. You don't need a camera or anything. Your phone needs a camera, but you don't need anything special. Just a phone, a laptop, and the internet. Something pretty much everyone has. I'm out here living out of my RV full time. I've been living in here 9 or 10 months now, almost a year, and I have internet connection. I have a phone and a laptop. So if I can do this, nomadically, moving from place to place every 2 weeks, then there's no reason that you can't do it too, most likely. So here are the steps. Step one is to find something to promote. Obviously, you need something that makes you money. So if you're a small business, you can go ahead and ignore this step. If you have a landscaping business, or you're a plumber or a roofer or a contractor or auto mechanic, whatever it is, if you have a small business, then you can ignore this. Or if you have an online store, if you're drop shipping, right, it's all going to be the same process after this. But if you don't have a small business, then you can head to softwaresponsors.com and actually find something to promote that you can promote online without a ton of effort. So I'll show you how that works. You come here to softwaresponsors.com. So these are companies that are looking to pay people just like you to promote their products on social media or on their blog or wherever you want to promote it. So you just put your email in this box, and then you're going to get this list that I made of what I think are the best software products and online companies to promote here. So there's a list of them here. There's actually hundreds inside some of these links on this list, but there you go. You just put in your email, you get access to this list, and then all you have to do is sign up to promote any number of these tools. And when you do that, all you have to do is share a link. Like I said, you'll share this link on social media or in a blog, whatever, and you can see the more clicks you get on these links, the more people are going to make purchases. And when they do, you earn commission. So you can see with this one, this is my Thrivecart dashboard for one of the programs I promote here, and you can see I've done $18,000 in gross sales for this company, earning me $7,800, almost $8,000 in commissions. So this is just one of them. Like I said, there's dozens on that list. I promote probably 10 or 12 different affiliate offers pretty consistently. So that's how I'm able to earn money from anywhere I go, like out here in the mountains. So what's the next step? The next step is to create content consistently about whatever you promote. Whether it's your small business, whether it's one of the tools here at softwaresponsors.com, or maybe something else you're doing, right? Maybe you're an Amazon affiliate. Whatever it is, you got to create content consistently if you want to drive traffic. So by creating this content consistently, you're going to rack up views over time and thus clicks to your website. So here's one of my TikTok accounts. you could see that I've built up 14,000 followers here just following this really simple process. You know, some of the videos get a few hundred views, some of them get tens of thousands of views. It really just depends on the video, but you can see plenty of these are getting 13,000, 34,000, 29,000 views. Here's 41,000, 72,000, right? So a ton of views on these simple videos that are all under a minute long. Honestly, most of these are 15 seconds long. And in every single one of these videos, I tell people to check out the link in my profile or to check out a link that's ultimately going to make me money, right? One of the links here from my software sponsorship list. So I create the content. Again, it takes me, these videos are 15 seconds to a minute long, might take me 5 minutes to create them each, and I actually just hired a VA to help me create more of these videos faster. So hopefully I'll be putting out 7 to 8 videos a day across 5 or 10 different platforms. So if you consider anywhere between 100 to 50,000 views per video, and I'm doing let's call it 20 per day across every platform, that can add up quick to an awful lot of affiliate commissions. So I hope you're following along. If you are, go ahead and give me a like on this video so that I know you're paying attention, and I know I'm making sense here with this. I'm trying to be as clear and concise as possible. I know a lot of people create these make money online videos, and you know, they practically guarantee that you're going to make $100,000 this year, or you're going to make $1 million overnight, or whatever it is, right? You're going to make, you know, you're going to get out of it what you put into it. So I don't know how much you're going to make. For me, this has made me probably over $50,000 over the past year or two. So what's the next step? You're creating this content, you're sending it to a link. Now it's important that at that link you send the traffic to an email opt-in. And the reason being, you want to blast out daily reminders about the products that make you money. Again, whether it's your small business, whether it's one of the tools from this link here, if people just watch your video and they don't buy the tool and they don't subscribe to your email list, then you've missed that opportunity to make a sale. But if they watch your video and they opt into your email list, now suddenly they are seeing an opportunity to make you money every single day right in their inbox, right? So again, what does that look like? Well, here is the website. If we take a look here at this TikTok profile, right, it says, it has a little arrow pointing down to botchecklist.com. So we come here to Bot Checklist, and again, it asks people to enter their email so that I can then send them affiliate links every day and hopefully get them to buy something so that I make money. So that's really it. That's as simple as it gets. So then what do? Once you get this process down, once you've made a few sales, the last step is to scale and automate this using AI tools. So there's a couple resources for you to do that. Like I said, you can come to botchecklist.com and grab this list. It's the same list here at softwaresponsors.com. It's my list of AI tools that I both use and promote. So another resource for you is AIcashplan.com. Obviously, there's only so much I can show you in this short video, but if you want a more in-depth training, I recommend heading to AIcashplan.com. This is a training that I've personally used to develop my skills, to really just learn from a bunch of other people that are inside of the course and see what works and what doesn't, so I don't have to actually go out and test every single thing I think of. I could just see results from other people and do exactly what works. So if that's something you're into, check it out at AIcashplan.com. So the last thing I want to show you is another option here. So I showed you how to do this with social media, but say you hate TikTok. Say you're thinking, James, the Chinese own TikTok, I'm never going to use the TikTok app. Well, obviously you could use Instagram, you could use Facebook, you could use YouTube, but maybe you're like, I don't want to make videos, I don't want to put my face in video, I don't want to bother with recording videos, I don't know how to edit them, whatever. So maybe you want to do a blog. Here is ProfitableBots.com. This is another one of my websites, but I just want to show it to you because this entire website was created entirely with AI. The only thing that's not AI on this website is this eyeball logo here in the corner. That's my logo that I created in Canva several years ago and have been using ever since. But aside from that logo, literally everything else is AI, from the images here, which I generated using Midjourney, and the titles and blog posts themselves. Like here, if I click on one, all of this was generated using AI. I used ChatGPT to write these blog posts for me. And if you're not familiar with AI content, maybe you think it sucks, maybe you've seen it in the past and think it's not great, I encourage you to come check out ProfitableBots.com. See what I've been able to generate using AI. And again, if this is something you're interested in, using bots to basically make money for you, passive income, right? Again, you have to do something. You have to sign up for a tool to promote here on this list, and then you actually have to come here to ChatGPT and tell it, write me a blog about a money making AI tool called Jasper. Right, and it's as simple as that. You type it in, and now it's giving me a blog about that. Now, what I would recommend is giving it a little more detail to start with. You actually want to use a prompt so it knows exactly what it's doing. But as you can see here, this is creating content for me on autopilot, right? How long did that take me to write here? We have already over a full page of content, and it took me 20 seconds to type one sentence. So that's what I've done here to create this blog, ProfitableBots.com. And I used another AI program to create the images, and that's it. Now this website is getting traffic. I don't actually have the search console pulled up, but it's getting organic clicks. It's ranking on Google. AI content. A lot of people, there's rumors out there that Google hates AI content. They're trying to detect it and they're trying to ban it. Well, what they're trying to ban is the same thing they've always been trying to ban, which is spam, right? Which is if you just come here and you just have it write a simple blog post, you don't even bother to read it, you just copy it and paste it on your blog, right? Then Google might not like that. But if you actually take the time, you write a more in-depth prompt, right? Maybe give it a paragraph or two, you come back and edit this, make it sound like you wrote it, or my point is these tools can save you a ton of time. And not only save you time, we're to the point where these tools work so fast they can actually create time for you, which is exactly what I've done to be able to live at places like this, right? I'm here, this is my third day in this spot, and I'm gonna be here for like 2 weeks. And again, I'm able to do that because the content I create, like the content you're watching right now, I upload, and then it makes me money around the clock while I go out hiking, or I go out sightseeing, or I go out to dinner with my fiance, or whatever I want to do all day long, right? This content is here. It's on TikTok, it's on YouTube, it's on Facebook, it's on Instagram, and it's making money for me. And all I'm doing is pulling out my phone, checking my email, and seeing, congratulations, you've made a sale, right? I get an email, it tells me I made a sale, and this number here goes up on this one and on many of these other programs that I've signed up to promote. So you can absolutely do the same. It's that easy. These are the steps here. If you want to go ahead and screenshot that, find something to promote, create content consistently about it every single day, send the traffic. When you create this content, create it with the intention of sending that traffic to an email opt-in, which you can then set up an automated sequence that blasts out daily reminders. Again, this is something that's automated. It's not something I do manually. I'm not sitting here behind the computer every day typing up an email. Some days I do that, right? I have the option to, if I do something cool or I create a new video, I'll send out an email, hey, check out this video I made. But I also have probably 90 or more emails that go out automatically. So each time someone comes to one of these websites and they opt into my email list, they're going to be getting an email from me for the next 90 days on autopilot, basically telling my story, telling them who I am, what I do, and showing them the tools I use and how they can potentially benefit them. And then ultimately, if they like what they see, they buy the tools and I make money. So that is the gist of it. That's the long story short on how I'm able to make money from anywhere in the world around the clock using modern technology, using the internet, using software, using AI and bots and tools like that. So like I said, if you want to learn more about this, head to AICashBand.com. If you haven't already, make sure to follow this profile or subscribe to my channel or wherever you're watching this video. Make sure you click the button to get notified when future videos come out. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.